Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to be setting up the Retell AI to n8n to integrate them together. And this is off of the Retell AI app, or website rather. Now before you build your first automation, you'll need to connect to n8n. And it's really quick. You need to install the Retell AI community node. Open your n8n dashboard, go to settings, community nodes, select the Retell AI and click install. Confirm the installation when prompted. Now add the Retell AI node to your workflow. In the n8n workflow editor, click the plus icon to add a new node, search for Retell AI, choose the action you want to automate, like create a phone call. Paste it in your Retell AI API key from your dashboard. And that's it. You're ready to automate call workflows with full control over call logic, scripts, and follow-ups using n8n's visual editor. From lead follow-up and appointment scheduling to order confirmation and CRM updates, the Retell AI n8n integration gives you everything you need to scale conversations while staying personal.